Alright guys, today we're taking a look at the Boker plus DW-1 frame lock money clip knife. That is a handful. The overall length is 2.875 inches, and that's for the whole knife, so this is a small one. The blade is 1 inch of AUS-8 steel, and it's got a cool Warncliffe shape to it as well. You got thumb studs for openers and a frame lock to close. Handle length is 1 3/4 of an inch, and it is carbon fiber on the front side and stainless steel on the back. And there's your pocket clip for tip upright carry, or attach it to some credit cards, your money, as the name would imply. So here's your size comparison next to a tactical clothespin. As you can see, it is very small, but perfect for carrying it in your pocket or in a boot, wherever. So guys, go ahead and buy this knife at bladehq.com. This is the Boker plus DW-1 frame lock money clip knife.